Another happy learning, everyone. Today, my discussion is about discriminant. Again, this is Ma'am Marlene Nuno, happy to share another lesson. Discriminant is the value of the expression b squared minus 4ac. This is found in the quadratic formula x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Discriminant is the value under the square root sign. Discriminant is the value to describe the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. It describes what kind of solutions the equations have. Let us see the possible values for the discriminant. When b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots can be described as real, equal, and rational. Try to observe example 1. Describe the roots of the equation x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. First, let us identify the value of the coefficients. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 9. Now substitute in the discriminant formula b squared minus 4ac. So the discriminant is 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9. Simplifying the result, we will get 36 minus 36, so the value is 0. Then we can describe the roots as real, equal, and rational. Now let us say the value of the discriminant is greater than 0 or positive. The roots can be described as real, unequal, and rational when the result is a perfect square, and becomes irrational when not a perfect square. In our example 2, describe the roots of the equation 2x squared plus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Getting the value of the coefficients, a is equal to 2, b equals 6, and c equals 4. Substituting this in the formula, the discriminant is 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times 4. When simplified, is 36 minus 32, and the value is 4. And this is a perfect square. So the roots are real, unequal, and rational. Now let us continue by looking at this example. Describe the roots of the equation x squared plus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Getting the coefficients, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 3. Substituting in the formula, so the discriminant is 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3. Simplified as 49 minus 12. So the discriminant is 37. And 37 is not a perfect square. So the roots are real, unequal, and irrational. This time, if the obtained value is less than 0, the roots can be described as non-real roots. Now let us describe the roots of the equation x squared plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. The value of the coefficients will be a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 10. Substituting this in the formula, so 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10. And simplifying the result, we will get 25 minus 40. And the discriminant is negative 15. So the equation has no real roots. Well, I hope this lesson is sound and clear to all of you. Now remember, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics by Paul Halmos. So what are you doing? Do the practice task of your teacher. Thank you for viewing. God bless everyone.